In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a Bullx Neo access code, and this will actually allow you to get early access to Bullx Neo. Now, if you weren't already aware, Bullx Neo is a brand new version of Bullx which has recently come out. However, it's basically just a more updated version with a load more features. Now, I will do a new video discussing all the new features. However, this video will be showing you exactly how we can get early access. Now, in order for you to get access to Bullx Neo, I'll actually include an invitation link in the video description down below. And I'll also leave it in the comment section as well. So what you want to do is just go ahead and open that link. And that will actually take us to this Telegram page where it's asking us if we want to open up Telegram and visit this bot. So I'm going to click open up Telegram desktop here. And as you can see, we now get redirected to Telegram and we've now got the Bullx Neo bot open. Now, since I've actually used this bot before, there's already some stuff in this chat. However, if it's your first time accessing Bullx Neo, it will be a completely brand new chat and you just need to click this start button at the bottom down here. When you click start, you'll then see this page where it says you can seamlessly log into your Bullx account by tapping below. So what we want to do is go ahead and click login, which is this option on the left here. And once you open up that link, you'll then get taken to Bullx Neo. And from there, you'll be able to set up your wallet. And after that, you'll have full access to Bullx Neo and you'll be able to use it and utilize all the brand new features. So this has been my video showing you how to get a Bullx Neo access code. As I said earlier, make sure you click that link in the very top of the video's description or in the comment section down below, and you'll then be able to start setting up your Bullx Neo account today. So that's how you can get Bullx Neo early access. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.